Hello guys, so in this video we will guide you how we can install Homebrew in MacBook Pro M4 Pro. Right, so here you have to visit this URL in the video description, brew.sh, and in the home page you will see this command that gives you the installation of the Homebrew. Click it, then you have to open your terminal. So I am going to open my terminal. We can search terminal and open it. Okay, now we got it. All we have to do here is that command and execute it. Now it is asking your computer password, enter it. Now we have to press enter to continue it. Now this installation will take some time because it needs some downloads. Alright, Homebrew got downloaded. The next step is we have to copy these commands in our terminal to add Homebrew to your file. That means we have to add these paths to our shell. Okay, so we can copy everything starting from this echo and path 4 zip profile until this thing called eval, and finally we have brew shell ema. Copy all of those and paste below in the terminal and execute it. Alright, now from this step code we will be able to access the Homebrew package manager. I'm going to run brew help. Yeah, it shows. Now then we can go ahead and install whatever package we need using Homebrew. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.